Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Mastering Data Visualization, Lecture 2. In this lecture we will learn about data exploration and preprocessing, introduction, exploratory data analysis techniques, cleaning and preprocessing data for visualization, dealing with missing values and outliers, data aggregation and summarization, conclusion, introduction. Good afternoon, and welcome to today's presentation on the importance of understanding the data visualization process. As we all know, data is everywhere, and it's becoming increasingly important to be able to interpret and communicate that data effectively. This is where data visualization comes in. By transforming complex data into visual representations, we can better understand patterns and relationships and make more informed decisions. However, creating effective visualizations requires a solid understanding of the data visualization process. In this presentation, we will explore various techniques for exploratory data analysis, cleaning and preprocessing data, dealing with missing values and outliers, and data aggregation and summarization. By the end of this presentation, you will have a better understanding of how to create meaningful and impactful visualizations that truly communicate your message. Exploratory data analysis techniques. Exploratory data analysis (EDA) is a crucial step in the data visualization process. It involves exploring and understanding the data before creating visualizations. There are several techniques and tools that can be used for EDA, including summary statistics, histograms, scatter plots, and box plots. These techniques allow us to identify patterns, trends, and outliers in the data, which can inform our visualization choices. Cleaning and preprocessing data for visualization. Cleaning and preprocessing data is a crucial step in the data visualization process. Before we can create meaningful visualizations, we need to ensure that our data is accurate and consistent. This involves identifying and correcting errors, removing outliers, and dealing with missing values. Common techniques for cleaning and preprocessing data include filtering, sorting, and transforming data. For example, we might remove irrelevant columns or rows, convert data types, or merge multiple datasets. By doing so, we can create a cleaner, more organized dataset that is better suited for visualization. Dealing with missing values and outliers. Missing values and outliers are common problems that can affect the accuracy of data visualization. Missing values can occur when data is not collected for all variables, while outliers can skew data analysis by representing extreme values. These issues can be addressed by either removing or imputing missing values and detecting and handling outliers through various statistical techniques. One technique for handling missing values is to simply remove them from the dataset, but this can lead to a loss of valuable information. Another approach is to impute missing values using statistical methods such as mean imputation or regression imputation. Outliers can be detected using box plots or scatter plots, and handled through techniques such as winsorization or logarithmic transformation. By effectively dealing with missing values and outliers, we can ensure that our data visualizations accurately represent the underlying data. Data aggregation and summarization. Data aggregation and summarization are critical steps in the data visualization process. These techniques help to reduce large datasets into more manageable sizes, while still retaining important information. By aggregating and summarizing data, we can identify patterns and trends that would be difficult to see otherwise. There are several techniques for data aggregation and summarization, including mean, median, mode, and standard deviation. Mean is the average value of a dataset, while median is the middle value. Mode is the most common value, and standard deviation measures how spread out the data is. By using these techniques, we can transform our data into more meaningful visualizations that tell a story. Conclusion. In conclusion, we have explored the key steps in the data visualization process, including exploratory data analysis, cleaning and preprocessing data, dealing with missing values and outliers, and data aggregation and summarization. We have seen how each of these steps is critical to producing effective visualizations that accurately represent the underlying data. It is clear that understanding the data visualization process is essential for anyone working with data, whether you are a data analyst, data scientist, or business professional. By following these steps, you can ensure that your visualizations are accurate, informative, and impactful, helping you to make better decisions and communicate your findings more effectively.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.